The word creativity is derived from words meaning to make, to grow, to produce, and bring forth, and today it generally refers to the formation of something new and valued. Without creativity, all we have today is all we will ever have, because when we lack the ability or desire to create and share, we avoid the responsibility of honoring those who came before and investing in the future of those to come. And yet, when we are creative and willingly share these creations, we become empowered to transcend established ideas, methods, rules, patterns, and relationships, and in its place, bring into being new ideas, new interpretations, and a reimagining of what life could be, rather than merely resigning to the way things are. The question becomes, how are you cultivating and sharing your creativity with the world around you?